Welcome to Khatta Meeta Stories. Let's make chicken fried rice today. Marinate the boneless chicken pieces with 1 teaspoon soya sauce, 1 teaspoon vinegar, 1 teaspoon chili sauce and a pinch of salt. Let it rest for 15 minutes. Take some oil in a kadai and cook the chicken pieces for around 10 minutes or till done. Add 1 teaspoon chopped garlic into the hot oil. Keep the flame on high. Add chopped onions and saute till translucent. Add chopped beans, carrot, capsicum and spring onions and saute for some more time, making sure that they don't lose their color. Add pinch of salt and pepper powder. In a pan, make some scrambled eggs. Mix the sauteed vegetables, chicken and scrambled eggs. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Add boiled rice. Ensure that the cooked rice has come to room temperature before mixing it with the vegetables. Add a bit of soya sauce, pepper powder, spring onion and mix everything together lightly, keeping in mind not to break the rice. Hope you enjoy this chicken fried rice recipe.